Hey everybody, just a little quick video recording. Wanted to make you guys aware of a few things. So your slideshow presentation will be due Sunday, and we'll be doing them in class on Monday. So I'll be looking at yours, so all you need to worry about is having it submitted by Sunday. I've had some questions asked about minimum or maximum number of slides. There's a lot of information that needs to be presented there. If it's clustered all together, then that's probably not the best way to present your slides, if that makes sense. And I think that, I don't necessarily know how many slides. If you have less than 5, that seems like there's going to be a lot of clustered information that makes it hard to read. So you guys will be reading your slide, going over your slides. And I know it's not the same presentation type format like a speech, but that's kind of where we're at. And so as long as you go off the Canvas sheet that has all the requirements, then you should be good. And so from that, we will be that will be your last major grade. So make sure you get those in because grades are due Monday. And if you have any questions, I will have the Zoom open. Just log on and I'll see the email, and then I will open up the Zoom and answer any questions you may have. So I know some of you guys have sent me some Canvas messages. I'm going to get to those. I wasn't here yesterday. So, all right. Holler if you need any help, and talk to some of you soon.